Hey friends, welcome back to Scratch Skills. In today's video, we learn how we can make our blocks just like this. So let's get started. So we'll also add a sound effect, as you can hear. When we delete blocks, another sound comes. So let's bump into it. For this, we're gonna need Scratch Addons. When you type it, you have to go to Chrome Web Store. There you'll get a Scratch Addons. Click on Add to Chrome. Add extension. This might take a while to come in, so we can wait. It's adding, as you can see over here. Okay, now it's the old blocks. Now we're going to convert it once it's done adding. No sounds. Pretty small, so let's convert this. Let's look at this till you time it. Okay, it just did. Okay, after this we can go ahead, open the extension. Over here we can go to type on block. In that, use the customizable block shape, enable it, and put the notch height to actually 0. That's what's gonna help pretty much. And you can increase the padding size. After this, we're gonna use the sound block. Enable that, and that will bring the sound. So reload the page. And then, as you see, it's ready. So if you like this video, do subscribe, like, and share for many more videos like this. See you in another video. Bye friends.